Hi everyone, welcome back to Quiz Splendor. It's reader time. Let's see how sharp you are. Track your progress. Let's get started. Now start with some easy riddles. Can you solve them all? Think fast. What has hands but cannot clap? A clock. What gets water the more it dries? A towel. What has to be broken before you can use it? An egg. What belongs to you but other people use it more than you? Your name. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? Footsteps. What has many keys but cannot open a lock? A piano. What has a face and two hands but no arms or legs? A clock. What goes up but never comes down? Your age. What can travel around the world while staying in one corner? A stem. What has eyes but cannot see? A needle. Now let's move to the medium riddles. Think carefully. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. What am I? An echo. I am tall when I am young and short I am old. What am I? A candle. The name of me you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? Memories. I am always running but I never move. What am I? Time. What has an endless supply of letters but start empty? A mailbox. I am always in front of you but cannot be seen. What am I? A future. I am light as a feather, yet the strongest man cannot hold me for long. What am I? Breathe. What has a neck but no head? A bottle. What has four fingers and a thumb but is not alive? Gloves. I am always hungry. I must always be fed. What am I? Fire. Medium round is over. Did you manage to solve them? Let's move to the hardest part. Now it's time for the hard riddles. Only the smartest can solve these. Let's see how many you get right. The more you take from the bigger I get. What am I? A hole. I have cities but no house, forest but no trees, and rivers but no water. What am I? A map. What begins with T and has T in it? A teapot. The one who make it sells it. The one who buys it never use it. What is it? Acouphene. I am invisible. I make things bigger. I am everywhere. What am I? Here. The more you share me, the less I become. What am I? A secret. I am always moving but have no legs. You can hear me but never see me. What am I? The wind. What has teeth but cannot bite? I am not giving this answer. Let's see if you can figure it out. How many did you get? Comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.